Problem 1. It says write the repeating decimal number 1.23123123123 in the form of a rational number. Okay, so we know that if it's a periodic decimal number, then it's actually a rational number as well. If you don't get that period, that means that just there is no pattern, or that's an irrational number. Okay, so we need to write this as a fraction, a ratio of two natural numbers. Okay, m and m are natural numbers here. Okay, so the first thing is to identify the repeating part, and that's with this bar. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3. I can call let's call it just x for now. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is the repeating part. And I want to sort of shift this such that it will match up and I can get rid of the numbers after the decimal point. So you have to find it's like a good shift. How about if I shift it by 3? So that's multiplying by 1000. Okay, so that's 1000 times x will be like this. Okay, and the trick is very simple. As if you call it this as 1 and this is 2, what we are calculating here is just 2 minus 1. So that will be 999 times x. And this one, well, we basically subtract 1, and of course the numbers after the decimal point, but that turns into this. So we got rid of the infinitely long decimal numbers, so now we just divide. Okay, and it's the job done, because this is a natural number and this is a natural number. Of course, it's a good idea to bring the calculator and just check, and yes, that produces that. Okay, so this is the way you can check that, and it is the recommended thing to do. And I'm quite puzzled by people submitting assignments when they actually don't do the check, and it's like, well, it's obviously wrong if you put it into the calculator. Also, no one says that you need to simplify it. I mean, if you want to simplify it, it's fine, but the problem doesn't say that you need to look for a reduced fraction. You just have to express it as a fraction, just to show that this infinite decimal number, this number with its infinite decimal digits, is actually a rational number, and it's job done there.